In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pipeline in HubSpot. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not already logged in, click the login button in the top right corner. Enter your credentials, your username and password, and then click login again to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface. HubSpot is full of powerful features, but everything is neatly organized once you know where to look. Now, look at the top navigation menu and locate the CRM option. Click it to expand more choices, then select Deals. The Deals section is where you will see an overview of all your current deals, their progress, and performance metrics, a vital part of managing your sales activity. Once inside the Deals area, look for Pipelines. Click on it to open the Pipeline Management section. This is where you can organize, track, and customize your sales processes. Now, it's time to create a new one. Click the Create Pipeline button. HubSpot will ask you to name your new pipeline. Choose a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to your whole team. Something that reflects what the pipeline is for, like B2B Sales Pipeline or Customer Onboarding Process. Once you've typed in the name, click Create Pipeline again. And that's it. You've successfully built a new pipeline in HubSpot. From here, you can start customizing your stages, adding new deals, and assigning owners to make tracking and forecasting much easier for your team. Congratulations! You're now one step closer to mastering HubSpot CRM and keeping your sales operations running smoothly.